Are you facing difficulties with the proximity sensor on your iPhone while holding it to your ear? Hi there, this is Anna, and today I'll provide you with the 3 best advanced solutions to fix the proximity sensor not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Run a hardware test for the proximity sensor. Open the App Store, tap Search Type, Hardware Test, install Check My Device. Now open this up. Scroll down, tap Proximity Test. Now follow this command. Try to use your hand to cover the proximity sensor. If your screen goes off, that means that you have no problem with the sensor. But if you find any issues, follow the second solution. Solution 2. Clean the sensor. The proximity sensor is located near the top of the screen, and if it's dirty or covered by a case or screen protector, try cleaning the area around the sensor with a soft, dry cloth or remove any accessories that may be blocking the sensor. Solution 3. Update your iPhone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update. Now, if there is an update, then update, but if there is no new update, go back. Scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset, tap Reset, tap Reset All Setting. There you are. Doing this should fix your problem, but if not, contact Apple support for further assistance. Thanks for watching.